Today we'll make juicy chicken cutlets. First, take one fresh loaf of bread, cut it into large pieces, and remove the soft inside. We'll use it to make our patties light, tender, and juicy. Next, soak the bread in milk until it becomes soft and absorbs the liquid. Pour 200 milliliters of milk into a deep bowl, then thoroughly mash and soak the pieces of bread. Set the bread aside for 10 minutes so it can fully absorb the milk. Meanwhile, we can prepare the remaining ingredients for our patties. Next, we'll need 1 onion to make our patties nice and juicy. Grate it using the finest side of a grater. Don't worry if the onion becomes very finely grated and releases a lot of juice. That's exactly what we need. This way, you won't notice pieces of onion in the patties, but it will still add plenty of moisture and flavor. Now finely grate 3 cloves of garlic as well. The garlic will add a wonderful aroma and extra flavor to the patties. You can use 1 spoonful of dried garlic instead, but fresh garlic works much better. Now let's add one of the key ingredients to our patties: fresh herbs. You can use any herbs you enjoy. I'll be using dill, parsley, and green onions. Finely chop all the herbs, then mix them together. While I'm finely chopping the herbs, I'd like to ask you to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Your support will really help the channel grow and allow more people to discover and try my recipes. Thank you so much for subscribing. Our bread has now absorbed the milk and is ready. Let's take the bowl and start combining the main ingredients. Add the grated onion, followed by the garlic and the chopped herbs. Next, add 150 grams of butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, and finally, some ground black pepper. You can be quite generous with the pepper. Once all the ingredients are in the bowl, mix everything very thoroughly with your hands. It's better to do this by hand rather than using a blender, because a blender would make the mixture too smooth and turn it into a paste. Take your time and mix everything carefully until the butter softens and is evenly combined with all the other ingredients. Now take the ground chicken and add 1 egg. Then add the bread mixture we prepared earlier and combine everything very thoroughly until all the ingredients are evenly mixed. Continue mixing everything thoroughly with your hands. Once the mixture is fully combined, place it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. While the chicken mixture is chilling in the refrigerator, let's prepare a side dish for our patties. I think light and fluffy mashed potatoes will be the perfect choice. Peel the potatoes, cut them into small cubes, and boil them until tender. Once the potatoes are cooked, it's time to turn them into mashed potatoes. For a light and fluffy texture, add 200 grams of butter and 100 milliliters of milk. Mash everything together until smooth and creamy, and don't forget to add salt to taste. Now, let's shape our patties. Take the chicken mixture out of the refrigerator. We'll need a large plate for the finished patties, some breadcrumbs, and the chicken mixture itself. Scoop out a small amount with a tablespoon, shape it into a ball with your hands, and coat it evenly in the breadcrumbs. Place each patty on the plate. Once they're all ready, we can move on to frying them. To keep the mixture from sticking to your hands, wet them with clean water before shaping each patty. This will make the process much easier. While I continue shaping the patties, I'd like to remind you that you can subscribe to the channel. Subscribing really helps the channel grow, so I truly appreciate your support. You'll find many more new and delicious recipes here. You can also share this recipe with your family and friends. Now all that's left is to fry the patties, and our dish will be ready. Heat a frying pan over medium heat so the oil doesn't splatter too much and the patties don't burn. Fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, turning them several times until they develop a beautiful golden brown crust. Once they're evenly golden and fully cooked through, they're ready. Thank you for watching and enjoy your meal.